Tired of selling one product at a time? What if you could chain them together like a sales superhero and watch your revenue soar? That's Chained Products for you, the plugin that turns Mace stores into upselling machines. Hey, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. In this 6-lesson course, we'll turn you into a bundle boss. You'll learn to link products like magic, set up BOGO deals so good they'll make customers say, "Shut up and take my money," and even troubleshoot like a tech ninja. Imagine this. A customer buys a laptop and bam, you auto-add a mouse, charger, and instant gratitude. Or run nesting offers where buying a shirt unlocks a discount on pants. Chained Products isn't just a plugin, it's your secret weapon for effortless upselling, happier customers, and cha-ching sounds in your sleep. Ready to stop leaving money on the table? Hit subscribe, grab that coffee, and let's turn your store into a bundle bonanza. Lesson 1 starts now. P.S. No actual chains were harmed in the making of this course, just your competition.